Well, the good news in all of this, registration has begun for vaccinations for teenagers between the ages of 15 and 18. Now, teenagers can go on the COWIN portal and start to register themselves. The actual vaccination process will begin from Tuesday. The Union Health Minister tweeted this morning, asking eligible teens to register. And the COWIN portal now open for this. Akshay joining us with the details on all of that. Akshay, very quickly to reflect on those latest COWIN numbers and of course the big news for teenagers, of course, registration now open on the COWIN portal.
Well, yes, Ankita, these are two major things that the Health Ministry right now is in fact monitoring. First is, of course, the number of cases that are on a constant rise, with all the factors indicating towards the third wave, because the numbers are constantly going up. The number of Omicron cases are not only being detected from the international passengers who are coming in from the at-risk countries, but also from the community, which indicates to a community transmission of Omicron variant, which in fact, as you rightly mentioned, has a much higher doubling rate. So while in the earlier variants, the doubling rate was around 8 to 9 days. In Omicron, the doubling rate is just 2 to 3 days, which means that the Omicron cases can double, in fact, in 2 to 3 days, which can be devastating for healthcare infrastructure, not just for India, but for any city, any country in the world. The second thing, yes, that's the good news, because there are approximately 8 crore teenagers between the age of 15 to 18, and this is a group where the students actually have to study a lot, go for tuition classes, go for school, and they have to make some choices as far as their education is concerned, which will define their career. So it was extremely important to protect this particular group first, and that is why the decision was taken by the central government to cover the 15 to 18 age group first, and the vaccine will be Covaxin. As far as the registration process is concerned, it will take place on the COWIN app, and the teenagers will in fact have to show a proof of their age, after which they will get a code, and they can choose any vaccination center as per their convenience and as per their location. So after that happens, the vaccination will start from Monday, which is 3rd of January. So the government plans to cover approximately 8 crore more of population, while the inoculation process is already going on for the adult population. And yes, from 10th of January, then we will see a precautionary dose for those above 60 age group, because they again are at a risk with this new variant spreading very fast. Ankita?